Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you best camera settings in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So just go to camera. As you see, we have these settings here. First of all, I am telling you how much options we have. We have film option, video option, photo, beauty mode, portrait, super night. And if we're talking about settings, so just go to settings. As you see, we can customize watermarks from here. We can have time watermark, city watermark, brand watermark also, and text watermark, like if you want to add anything like your name or your age, so you can add from here. After that, we can use timer from here. Shooting mode, like touch shooting or fingerprint shooting, like if you touch on the screen your picture will be clicked automatically. And set volume button as a shutter or zoom. If you want to zoom, you can set it to zoom, so you can zoom picture from volume button. And shutter means if you want to capture the image, and if you want to click image, you can press volume button, so your picture will be captured. So these are the settings in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.